Ma, Daddy, so I'm taking a night video because I think it might be easier to see. So let's, parang siguro you're thinking, nasaan yung oranges? I've actually been eating almost all of them, wala na. Pero syempre, when you go inside, di ba, mas may tusok-tusok. Obviously, mas mahirap sa akin kunin yun. So, if we go inside, you will see more of them. So, let's go inside. By the way, itong blood orange, ang sarap-sarap, napakatamis, pero so we have to go inside underneath. So now you can see mga bunga-bunga sa underneath. If you go inside, peek inwards. So you can see marami pang bunga underneath, right? Pero halos almost all of them talagang napitas ko na kasi ang sarap-sarap. Let me look at another. Oops, oh my god. May dragon fruit matusok. Or, sorry, it's so messy yung pag-video ko. Pero if you go, ayun, dami pa doon sa dulo doon. So there's some more. So syempre, di ba, minsan tinatamad akong talagang kunin yung orange. So I think these ones have to work a little harder. And then if I show you right now the quality, some of them are small, some of them are big, sorry. So this is already, wait, yeah, this is already ripe. Ay, may langka. Ay. Anyway, this is already ripe. I'm gonna eat this one. And then if we go further in, yeah, doon sa dulo doon meron. Tapos, oh, can you guys see? Konti na lang eh. Ayun oh. Meron pa doon. Tsaka, ayun, meron pa doon.